Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we'll apply addition and subtraction small friends concept and solve 2 and 3 digit numbers. To solve these problems, make sure you know the concept of small friends. I've shared the link of small friends addition and subtraction concept in my description below. Let us begin with the first question. First one, 14 plus 3. 14. Place the number first. Now plus 3. Now we have to check here, do we have enough beads? No, we don't have enough beads here. So let's apply the formula. What is the formula for plus 3? It is add the boss 5 and less 3's friend, that is 2. So my answer is 17. Next one. 27 less 4. 27 less 4. Now it is subtraction here. Less 4. So can we do less 4 directly? No, we cannot. So what is the formula here? For less 4, we have to less the boss 5. Okay, for less 4, the statement goes less 5 and add 4's friend, that is 1. So my answer is 23. Next question, 31 plus 14. So 31 plus 14. Now in the tens row, I need 1 bead here. So I have 1 bead. Okay. Now in the units row, I need 4 beads. I don't have enough beads here. So what's the formula for add 4? In add 4, we need to add the boss 5 and less 4's friend, that is 1. So my answer is 45. Next one. 24 plus 41. 24, we place the number plus 41. So plus 4. In the tens row, I need to plus 4. I don't have enough beads. So let's apply the same rule here. Add the boss 5 and less 4's friend, that is 1. In the ones row, I need to add 1. So again, add 1. How do we do it? Add the boss 5 and less 1's friend, that is 4. So my answer is 65. Okay, now let's try subtraction 2 digit. Okay, 78 less 44. 78 less 44. So less 4. In the tens row, I need less 4. So for less 4, what is the formula? For less 4, we less the boss 5 and add 4's friend, that is 1. Again, in the ones row, same thing. I need to less 4. How do I do it? We don't have enough beads. So for less 4, we less the boss 5 and we add 4's friend, that is 1. So my answer is 34. Okay, let's do one more. 67 less 34. 67 less 30. Over here I need to less 3. We cannot. How do we do it next? So for less 3, the formula is less 5 and add 3's friend, that is 2. And in the ones column, I need to less 4. So for less 4, what is the formula? It is less 5 and add 4's friend, that is 1. So my answer is 33. Okay. Now let's try 3 by 3 digit numbers. Okay. Now let's level up. 453 plus 432. So first step, place the numbers. 453 plus 400. Now over here, we go one step at a time. So over here, I need 4. Same formula. Add the boss 5 and less 4's friend, that is 1. Okay. Over here, I need to add 3. I can directly add 3. Okay. Now over here, I need to add 2. Okay, we don't have enough beads. So for adding 2, we have to first add 5 and less 2's friend, that is 3. So my answer is 8, 8, 5. Okay. Next one. 513 plus 42. First step, 513. We place the number plus 4. I need 4. 42. So nothing in the hundreds rod. We come to the tens rod. 42. How do we add 4 here? Add the 5 and less 4's friend, that is 1. And 2. What is the formula for 2? Add 5 and less 3. So my answer is 555. 555. Okay. I'll give you one more question. It is your turn to solve it, okay? The question is 622 plus 203. You can take your time or you can pause the video. Okay. 622. 622. 622. Okay. Plus 200. Can we do it directly? Yes. 203. Over here? No, we're not touching the tens rod. 3. What is the formula for 3? For add 3 it is add 5 and less the friend of 3, that is 2. So my answer is 825. Now let us solve 3 by 3 digit numbers using small friend subtraction concept. Okay. The first one, 758 less 432. So the first step is 758. Let's place the question. 758 less 400. We go one step at a time. So less 4. For less 4, how do we do? What is the formula for less 4? It is less 5 add 1. So less 5 add 1. Correct? Okay. Over here we need to less 3. How do I do less 3? The formula for less 3 is less 5 and add 3's friend, that is 2. And over here in the ones rod I need to less 2. Can I do it directly? Yes, I can. So my answer is 326. 326. Next question. 589 less 174. So 500, place the question first. 589 less 100. Let's go one step at a time. 174, so 1. In the hundreds rod, 1. So what is the formula for less 1? It is less 5, add the 1's friend, that is 4. Okay. Now over here I need to less 7. Can I do it directly? Yes. Okay. Over here I need to less 4. Can I do it directly? Yes. Less 4. So my answer is 415. 415. Correct? Okay. The next question is for you. You can take your time. You can pause the video and we'll discuss the answer. So the question here is 675 less 413. Okay, let's solve it together. 600, place the question, 675 less 400. Over here, less 4. What's the formula for less 4? Less 5, add 4's friend, that is 1. Over here, in the tens rod, I need to less 1. I can do it directly. In the ones rod, I need to less 3. How do I less 3? Again, less 5, add 3's friend, that is 2. So my answer is 262. Well done. I hope you're clear with the small friends addition and subtraction concept. And this is the task for today. You may write the answers in the comments below. If you know someone who wants to learn abacus, do consider recommending my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Feel free to give us your feedback. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of abacus with Fatima.